EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hey Madden Nation, Mark Schlereth here with the fourth of 7 videos in the Madden NFL 13 Playbook series. Now, one of the big improvements this year is the way the game actually plays. You feel like you're right in the game on Sunday. You're in the NFL. And why? Because the Infinity Engine, that's the big thing. So let's go check that thing out. Bam! Hey, I'm here with Victor Lugo, gameplay designer for Madden NFL 13. I'm telling you, you put this game on and this thing looks real. It's so authentic, and everybody's talking about the new Infinity Engine. Tell me about it.
Well, the Infinity Engine alludes to the limitless possibilities that we have in this game now due to this engine. It is an animation-driven physics engine which augments every single animation in the game in a realistic manner. So every animation that you thought you would have noticed or recognized is now completely different because of the interaction that happens between people. You'll see legs flailing realistically. You'll see more momentum conserved. You'll see players flying off the line much more realistically. And I'm really looking forward to showing people.
Well, we talk about reactions, you know, actions, reactions. We talk about guys hitting, I mean, these two guys flying around the football field, smacking people, call them snot bubble hits, right?
Yes.
Now this game actually shows exactly what's going on with the reaction that you have from those hits and the way bodies actually work.
Right. Well, you know, at the basic level, force equals mass time acceleration, we're talking about big guys hitting each other really, really hard. And we want to reflect that in the game. So if you give me a second, I'm going to show you a quick video that reflects exactly what we're talking about. So here's a quick comparison of Madden NFL 12 versus 13. So as you can see on this hit, this is a good animation, but we've improved it. But let me point some things out to you real quick. So as you see these guys hit each other, you notice that there's an invisible wall here who kind of stops, and we've lined them up really well, but they kind of don't stop. Look at the line that the guy's standing on when he falls.
Right.
Also, you'll observe that this leg goes through, and you'll observe that the arms actually interpenetrate as well. Now let's look at Madden NFL 13. This guy's flying way over here.
Right, you can see the momentum actually carrying them across the screen, right?
Exactly, so momentum is conserved as it always should be. He's gonna fly way over here. Look at that leg. Didn't go through, he's pushing that leg.
Right.
That's exactly what should happen. If I push your leg, you're gonna move. Same with the arm. It no longer goes through. So that's the type of realism and that's the type of variety that we're gonna carry over to all of our plays and all of our interactions that happen in the game. And that's gonna make it really, really emergent and feel really organic and alive.
Well, we talk about the passing game all the time. We saw some examples there. What about the running game? How's that different?
The running game is now drastically different. You have to really think about not only how your play executes, but how it unfolds. You can no longer try to just run through your blockers. You have to wait for those blockers to make the block. You have to look for holes. You have to look for guys in your way because you can't run through people. You have to really, really understand this is my lane. This is where I need to run, and I can't just run through people. If I need to jump over somebody, I need to, but I can't just walk through them.
Right. Yeah, you know, one of the things about the NFL and playing in the NFL is you can't predict it. You know, you're going up against a guy. I don't know what he's going to do. I try to set him a certain way, but ultimately, he's going to do what he does. I have to react. So tell me about the unpredictability of this game.
When you play this game, moving forward with the Infinity Engine, you have to fight for every single yard. The guy on the field is going to fight for every yard, so I need to fight for every yard as well.
And that's different from last year's version of this game where that play would have just essentially been
Absolutely. You'd see it, you'd know when it's over, but now, in this case, you just don't know. These guys are going to fight harder. Things are going to be more organic and realistic, and you're going to have to play to the whistle.
That's awesome, man. The new Infinity Engine, obviously, it makes a lot of difference. There's no question about that. And when you look at the new Madden NFL 13 game, it is so realistic. I mean, it's like being there on Sunday.
That's right.
All right, well, that's going to do it for us. Victor, thank you so much.
Thank you. Come play the game.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. The next playbook is going to be Connected Careers, and it's going to be hosted by my friend, Trey Wingo.